Okay, this is North America, and today we are going to cover all aspects of North America, including religion, ethnicity, culture, and languages, etc. Okay, so I'm going to first start with religion and ethnicity. Now, to understand those two things, you really have to understand the history of North America and the geography of it, where everything is. So that will lead to what I'm going to show you next. I'm going to start this historical timeline in North America around the 1500s, which was inhabited by Native Americans who believed in a polytheistic form of religion known as animism. And what animism is basically the belief that all things in nature have a spirit. So they always respected nature, and that was basically their religion, was to worship all spirits in nature. So, in 1607, Europeans crossed the Atlantic Ocean and landed in Jamestown in 1607. Now, the significance behind this is because after Jamestown, many other settlers came, and that was, they were all Christian. And along with them came Christian missionaries. Most of these Christians were Puritans, Protestants, and Catholics, Orthodox, and everything like that. But whenever when so many came over, they tried to convert the ones that were already there. So, as a couple hundred years go by, Christianity, primarily Protestant, become the primary religion in North America, and it remains to be the most practiced in North America today. Now, backtracking just a little bit to when it was just the 13 colonies, we'll go into the slave trade, because the New Americans, which were Europeans but now Americans, were taking slaves from Africa. Now, this ultimately brought Islam over. Now, most slaves did eventually convert to Christianity, but there were the few stragglers that remained in their religion, which was either Islam or animism. So, when the U.S. Constitution was signed in 1789, that allowed all of these religions that were over here, and I mean all religions like Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Judaism, animism even, they were all allowed, and all ethnicities were welcome. So immigrants were coming. North America became known as the melting pot, where everyone was brought over. Not even just the United States, even in Canada, religious freedom is there, and everyone is welcome. So it would make sense as to why it's really hard to put one specific ethnicity and one specific religion with North America, because it's so diverse, and it welcomes immigrants, it welcomes everybody. So that is what makes North America so very unique in the terms of religion and ethnicity.